Thirikari no ithiete na mbere na kumurikwo kumana na ngarama iria maminista ayo yatwarire a Kenya thabari-ini ciao kaunti-ini mwanya mwanya hindi ya muthi wa uhandi wa miti mwambiririo wa kiumia giki gukirikana makiria ma ciringi mirioni 25 ni ciahuthikire. Kigina giki kiahuthikire gukombora ndege cia maminista 21 mathaa ma gukombora ndege imwe mathaa mana ikirugamira ciringi mirioni 1 nginyagia ciringi mirioni 1.2 kuringana na muthemba wa ndege. MWARIA wa Thirikari MWAURA ATETEIRE.
And I've seen people asking, so why then do we have cabinet secretaries and senior government officials, hopping from one place to another? Yes, because leadership is singular. You've got to be there and to show to the people you must lead from the front.
Akere nandikia mohoro MWAURA ahinyiriirie mbeca nyingi iria ciahuthikire ciaheanitwo ni andu oro undu umwe na ikundi cia wendi mwega.
So let us not just be pedantic about these issues, because even when you look at this whole initiative, it is funded by other well-wishers and other corporations.
Uhuthiri wa ndege na ngari ni umurikitwo ni ateteri a maria maturigicĩirie makirota thirikari ni gwika mugaro wa kiraniro kiayo ya kunyihia urekereria wa gasi ya carbon rĩera-inĩ kuona ndege na ngari ni kihumo kinene kia gasi ino.
The manual tallying as of 14th of November, that is yesterday, 2023, shows that the country planted over 150 million trees.
MWAURA oigite thirikari ni yakinyanirie itanya rĩao rĩa uhandi wa miti no aremwo ni gutariria uria makinyanirie na beno akiongerera itanya rĩa thirikari ni kuhanda miti milioni 500 gukinyiria mwisho wa mwaka uyu.
Tukisema kwamba tumefanya miti 150, nafikiri utuamini sisi, na lengo letu ni miti milioni 500. Na wacha nisisitizie niseme kwamba sio sana serikali kuja kusema ni miti mingapi ambayo tumepanda.
Ucuke wa namba ya mitire yahandirwo ugiakiriria thutha wa MWAURA kuheana namba njeru ya mitire yandikithirio mutambo-ini wa Jaza Miti. O ni thutha wa minista wa mititu na maria maturigicĩirie Soipantu ya muthi wa ira rurenda-ini rwa X akiuga no miti 7,000 yandikithirio mutambo-ini ucio.
So far a total of 10,794,604 trees have been documented in the Jaza Miti app. The government encourages all Kenyans to record the tree grown in Jaza Miti app.
Ona thirikari ikionekana gutebeba ni miti igana yahandirwo no rekora matunginyagia ikure. MWAURA ni acokeirie ngatho mung'ethaniro ni kunyitanira na thirikari.
Last year, Kenya lost 2.5 million livestock to drought, resulting to an economic loss of more than Kenya shillings 230 billion.
MWAURA oigite thabari 39 iria president atumite mabũrũri-inĩ maya ireheire Kenya moguni ma muigana wa ciringi trilioni 2.
His Excellency the President is the nation's chief ambassador and chief executive officer. We are actually able to get over 600 billion shillings. Actually, to be precise, is about 750. That is now coming from the Kenyans who are sending money from abroad.
Icera-inĩ rĩake rĩa ica ikuhĩ bũrũri-inĩ wa Saudi Arabia, MWAURA oigĩte Ruto nĩ arahotire kuona mĩeke ya mawĩra 350,000. Mamwe ma mabũrũri marĩa Ruto acerete nĩ Ngeretha, Faranja, Mozambique, Egypt, Eritrea, Rwanda, South Korea, South Africa, Tanzania na Uganda.
Because you don't need a visa to go to China. That's one of the greatest benefits that we've gotten from this.
Kiriga kia namba ya mitire yahandirwo hindi ya muthi wa uhandi wa miti no githiete na mbere na gwithegea guku thirikari ikionekana kwaga macokio. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV kuma muciĩ munene wa Nairobi, Njeta Gĩtaũ wa Wanjiku.